Hi! So we're going to Costco today. Palengke day. Naubos na kasi yung mga stocks namin. Once in a month lang kami namamalengke. Good for a month. Sometimes good for 1.5 month. Depende. Depende kung hindi kami matakaw. But yeah. See you later. Bye. So nandito na kami. And now we're just looking for parking, which we find one. And my honey is parking now. Done. So yeah, nandito na kami. Yan yung supermarket na pinupuntahan namin. So yeah, nandito na kami. Ang hangin. Mahangin. Ang lamig. So yeah, ito, lakad-lakad papunta sa Costco. Okay, lakad-lakad. So, kukuha na kami ng cart namin. Yan po. Kita nyo, ang daming busy. Okay. And si Dave, si Bunny, laki ng cart namin. Which ganyan ang mga cart dito. Malalaki. Ayan. I think we go there. Ayan, may mga toothbrush. Iba-iba. Ito ang sa loob ng Costco. At yeah. So let's go. Lakad na tayo. Ito, ang dami. Ang dami mga naka-display na it's up to you kung bibilin mo. Yan. What is it? Electric fan? Ang cute! I like this. It's rotating too. It's 54.99. See, it's so cute. Woozu. And mga Motorola. Oh, phone. Is this real? That's so nice. And cell phone. Magkano?
It depends on which one you get.
179 or 349. Oh, this one is fancy with a pen.
It's very big.
Eh?
It's very large.
I know. It's larger than my phone.
Yeah, like look at this.
Yeah.
Like I know it's just like a little bit, but that's
I wonder if the camera is good. Let
maybe
me...
the front camera you can try, but it's hard to say.
I don't know. It's like
Looks a little slow.
yeah, it's like a camera of Samsung. The thing, yeah.
Yeah,
No.
it's okay. Let's go
It's
for it.
fine. Now.
I don't know how to exit, but oh, there we go.
Okay. Let's go. Ayan. Laki ng cart namin. See? Madaming bumibili dito. That speaker, yeah. 148.
My guess is
99.
it doesn't work.
149. I think you need to turn it on.
Oh, I don't know. Wait, here. You mean like push this one?
Yeah. You gotta switch, I guess. Magkano? 148. 149.
Yeah.
Ayan po. It's always busy here. So, ayan na. Ang favorite ni Dave, pistachio. And then, yeah, we can check. So, ayan mga laptops. Then, different kinds of laptop. And then, I think the speakers, yeah, it's around there. Yeah, nagtitinda lahat sila. Everything you need. This is Mac. Speakers. But these are big, huh? PSPs. Because we want to buy a speaker, but the thing is, like, this one is 154, hon. 154.
Bose.
Yeah.
I wonder if this one works. I'm looking for it. Like it's lighting up.
Yeah. Yeah, we're looking for a speaker. But it's too much. What do you think?
Mahal.
Yeah, mahal. Mahal ito. Well, because of the name of the brand too, right? See, I wanna buy this one, but maybe next time. Not for today. The G Pro. Eh? For our travel. Even speakers they sell. 416, not 496. Masyadong mahal. So we will park the cart here, walking there, kukuha kami ng bars ni Mr. David. Ang paborito niyang bars. Show it to them. Kirkland. Yeah, madami mga treats dito. Pero yun lang mga kukunin namin, yung mga gusto lang namin. So, ayan. Naglalakad na naman kami. Ito, papunta namin sa meat section. Ito po yung cart namin. Dalawa po ang laman ng cart namin. Then, pupunta kami sa tinapay. May mga pa-free taste sila. Pero, ayoko. Ang paborito naming tinapay with raisin. And ano pa? Yeah. Let's do the same like before. Yeah. So, ang dami mga tinapay, guys.
Queso?
So,
Blueberry?
ikaw, whatever
Ano,
you
gusto mo?
want. Queso?
Sure.
The other one, the blueberry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan, tinapay. Ayan, paunti-unti nagkakalaman na yung cart namin. Ang dami mga dessert. Pero, huh? Whatever. You want more? Maybe we can add more, yeah. Because it's $8, guys. That one. And that one. Mahilig sa tinapay. Okay, let's go to the meat section. Meat. Nagtitinda lahat sila ng marami. Cakes and stuff. So, eto, lean ground beef. So, giniling na baka. Giniling na baka? Gusto mo? Ha? Okay. So, nakapack na sila, guys. Ayan. Giniling na baka for this. But, depende kung ilang kilo. Ayan, may salmon, may tilapia na wala na yung ulo, wala na yung buto. May mga ginawa, ano to? Mackerel. No. Pickerel fillet. Oh. 5% off. Diba? Ayan, mga fish. So, may mackerel sila. May mga isda din. So, eto, may pork chops sila. Pork chops. Kuha tayo ng pork chops.
March 10th and on.
February 28. See? Oh, for 1959. Pork chops. May pork belly din sila kaso it's too much fat. Pulled pork, pork skin, something, blah blah blah. So, lalagay na natin. Yeah, ito ang gusto ni Dave. Ribs. That's March, yeah. Eh, nagluluto din sila ng mga manok. Dito. Yan. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yan.
Sounds okay.
So, ayan na yung laman ng basket namin. So, ayan na. May mga chicken. May chicken thighs. May whole chicken. Ayan, mga malalaki. Puro bulky mga tinitinda dito. Hindi yung tigi isang piraso, guys. May chicken legs. Chicken wings. Yeah.
This one's good.
Favorite. Yeah. Yeah. Chicken wings. Maybe we can get some chicken, breast chicken? What do you think? Yeah.
And also the pork, like ground pork, you get one?
Yeah. So, ayan, kumuha ako ng chicken breast. At ang aking asawa ay kukuha ng pipit. So, ayan na. So, yan. Kukuha daw siya ng ground pork. Yan, ganito na niluluto, guys. Niluluto na nila yan. And, magkano?
Huh?
Magkano?
$20.
Okay. So, ayan na yung cart namin. It's getting there. Napupuno na. Ayan. Busy. Yan yung mga luto ng manok. At ito ang favorite din namin. The traditional sausage.
Not very spicy.
O baka doon. Ito mga cheese. Wala. So yeah, may mga chicken na naka-marinate na. Ayan, ayan si Dave, favorite sausage. Sausage. At kukuha ako doon ng free taste. Doon sa lalaking yon. Nagpe-prepare pa siya. Lahat ng tao nakahintay na. So, yan. Yan, favorite ni Dave ang cheese.
Dalawa?
Make sure it's not expired.
Fine. Yes. The orange?
Oh. Mahilig po siya sa cheese. Sa cheese. Okay? Yeah. I'm waiting for the free taste but wala. So, eto, pabalik kami. Kukuha kami ng free sample nung naan bread. Sana hindi kami maubusan. Kasi, ang daming mga free taste dito. Like, mabubusog ka sa mga free taste nila. So, let's go! Here. And that's it. So, ito yung free taste. Let's try.
Tastes like what you'd expect.
Yeah. I thought there's more flavor.
Yeah, it's okay.
Very plain.
I'd rather make your own.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, mabubusog ka sa mga free taste dito, guys. Taste na naman kami. I think it's pork. Yeah, it's pork.
Pork at patatas and gulay.
Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Mabubusog ka sa free taste. I think we need to move somewhere because it's busy here. Ito. So, patatas at baboy. So, we'll see and try. Maybe you back up, honey, no? So, yun. Let's try it out. Patatas. Yung gravy, yung parang, yung sauce niya masarap. Yeah, yung sauce masarap, but hindi ko pa natikman yung laman niya. So what can you say about the free taste, honey? How is it?
Okay.
No. It's too dry, eh? And the flavor too, yeah. Huh? You want the roast beef or the chicken? Okay. Yan po. Gusto niya daw yung roast beef ipapalaman sa tinapay. At eto na yung grocery looks like namin. Malapit na mapuno. Ha?
This is for MR, like March 13th.
Oh, no. So, check niya rin yung expiration kasi mahirap na. Baka masira na naman. Yeah? It's good? So, ayan. Lakad na naman kami. Pupunta na kami sa mga nagtatrabaho sa loob. So, nandito na kami sa mga gulay. Gulay-gulay. May mga kamatis. Iba-ibang klase ng kamatis. Ito.
This one?
Okay. Yeah. Yan, kamatis. Papunta na kami sa produce. Are we getting into produce? Ha? Okay. So, papasok na kami dito sa malamig na room. Nandito lahat yung mga gulay. So, yung paborito namin is ito. For salad. Here you go. Salad? Yeah. One of it?
Yeah, he's enough.
One only, yeah. So that one and then this one. Yeah, but the thing is like, it's the same but like, what do you think? That one is queen and then this one is organic, so I don't know. So this is organic and that
How many
one
grams?
is
Yeah, maybe this one.
okay. So ito, mas mura. And then I think that's all we need, Han. May Brussels sprouts, may bok choy, pero mas mura sa ibang tindahan. And daming tao dito. So may mga iba-ibang klase, may pakwan, may watermelon. Pero, yeah. Hindi kami bumibili. Kasi masyadong malaki. May saging. May mga saging. Malalaki. Ayan na. Toilet paper. And I don't think we need some toilet paper or something, right? Or napkins. Do we?
We're good.
Yan, panghugas ng puwet at and tubig. So, papunta na tayo sa dairy. Sa dairy. Are you getting your soy milk? No? So, yan. Dito na naman. Malamig na naman. At kukuha kami ng itlog. Ooh, it's cold. And butter. I think we need butter. What do you think?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
butter. So, ang daming butter for $5.79. 5.79. Itlog. Gatas. Yeah. Tubig. Yan ang Costco, guys. Napupuna na yung cart namin. Ang lalaki na mga chips dito. Chips. May free taste na naman. Let's try. A dill pickle. Pickle? No?
No.
Why? You like pickles? Don't you?
They're fun, but like not bad themselves.
Okay, hold this. Let's try dill pickle. Of course, maasim. Okay,
Okay.
hold it. Yeah. Let's try it out. Mmm. Awesome. It's so good. See, ang lalaki ng mga chips. It's so big. Pero no chips because malapit na yung kasal ko. Kailangan namin magbawas. Kasi mataba kami. Ang lalaki po ng mga chichirya. Chichirya to the max. See? Who wants Doritos? It's so big. Ang lalaki. I think we need something there, no?
Yeah.
So yan. Bibili kami ng what do we gonna get here?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. So, yan. Ice cream. Our favorite ice cream, which is $8. It's already a 2-liter ice cream. That is made in Canada, guys. And lakad-lakad. So, here you go. So, here you go. It's a lot. And that's my honey pushing the big cart. And, ayan, may free taste na naman tayo. So, kuha tayo ng free taste nila. Oh, that's okay. You can get it. Thank you. So, ayan, may pa-free taste na naman tayo. May pa-free taste na naman na chips tayo. Dave doesn't like chips, so ako lang. Ako lang ang kakain. Well, that one is good.
Yeah. Like,
What is that?
mind if I try one?
Yeah, here. Maybe we can get one, eh? Magkano? Here.
Tastes like chips.
I like it. It's light too. Maybe I'll get one.
Okay.
I'll be back. So, nagustuhan namin. So, we're getting one bag of it. It's not bad. Malaki na siya eh. So, yan. Mga sausawan, dill pickles. And then, yung paborito ni Dave na croutons na nilalagay sa salad. Yan na po yung cart namin. Malapit na. Ako naman ang nagpupush ng cart ngayon. At si Dave naman ang naglalakad. Naghahanap ng mga... I think kailangan natin ng oil. Yeah? Oh, we have? Okay. So, ayan. Lakad lang. O, ayan. Panglaba. Ayan, sabon, downy. So, si Dave na yung magpupush niyan kasi mabigat. So, ayan na yung cart namin. It's getting there. So, walang pinalalagpasan si Mr. Dave. Lahat iniikutan namin. Kaya nakakatuksong bumili. Ayan, kukuha kami ng meds. Vitamins namin. Vitamins. Vitamins. Yes, omega-3. And then let's turn the other way. Advil. I think I need some. May mga grocery. So, yes, mga diaper, napkins.
Anything else, Pretty?
I don't think so. I think I have still pads, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. Alam, may nabasag po. I think we can go for a line. So guess how much is this? This grocery is.
3,500.
So ganyan ang lineup dito sa mga cashier for checking out. So honey, how much you think?
500 or 500.
500?
4 or 500.
So yan, ang daming nagbumibili dito. So this is good for 1 or 1.5 months. Yes. So ayan, tapos na kami. And guess how much ang binayad namin for today's grocery is it's 468.68. So bago, hindi ka pwede lalabas lang dito, kailangan nila nang i-check yung receipt. So i-check nila yung receipt and then you're good to go. So ayan yung guy na mag-check. Thank you! So yun, ready to go. So ayan, tapos na kami. And now, my honey is pushing the cart, going to the car. Kasi, i-unload na namin ang grocery namin. 2 months. MG. Mahangin. Mahangin, malamig. Kaya yung mga iba tumatakbo. Let's go. So, yan. Oh my God, ang lamig. Hindi po ako naka-jacket. Super light lang ang suot ko.